There's something truly magical about pizza. It's more than just a meal. It's an experience that brings people together, filling the room with laughter, conversation, and the irresistible aroma of fresh-baked goodness. Whether you're with family, friends, or even making it solo, pizza has a way of turning any ordinary day into something special, a reason to gather and celebrate the simple joys of life. Sharing slices, swapping stories, and enjoying each other's company, pizza night is a tradition that never gets old. It's the perfect excuse to slow down, connect, and savor every bite together, no matter the occasion. And the best part? Making your own pizza at home is easier than you might think. You don't need a fancy oven or special equipment. Just a simple pan on your stovetop will do the trick. With a few basic ingredients and a little creativity, you can craft a pizza that's uniquely yours, right in your own kitchen. This stovetop method gives you a perfectly crisp bottom and a wonderfully fluffy top, creating that irresistible texture we all love. It's ideal for homemade pizza nights, where everyone can join in and customize their own creations. Today we're making a chicken pizza that's not only simple and delicious, but also a lot of fun to prepare. With juicy chicken, melty cheese, and your favorite toppings, it's a recipe that's sure to please everyone at the table. So, roll up your sleeves, gather your loved ones, and let's bring that authentic pizzeria feeling right into your own home. Ready to make some memories and a fantastic pizza? Let's get started. Let's gather our ingredients for the perfect pizza. For the dough, plain flour, instant yeast, sugar, salt, warm water, and a splash of oil. For the topping, boneless chicken, ginger garlic paste, red chili powder, cumin, turmeric, lemon juice, and salt. Grab ready-made pizza sauce or tomato passata, and plenty of grated mozzarella. Add sliced onions, bell peppers, and any extras you love. Olives or sweet corn work great. Have everything prepped and ready before you start. Organization makes pizza making a breeze. It's time to make our dough, the foundation of any great pizza. Getting this step right is what sets homemade pizza apart from anything you can order. Start by gathering all your ingredients: flour, yeast, sugar, salt, warm water, and a good olive oil. Make sure your workspace is clean and organized, so you can focus on the process and enjoy every step. In a large bowl, combine the flour, yeast, sugar, and salt. Mixing the dry ingredients first ensures the yeast is evenly distributed, which helps the dough rise evenly and gives you that perfect texture. Next, pour in the warm water and olive oil. The water should be just warm to the touch, not hot, so it activates the yeast without killing it. The olive oil adds richness and flavor to your dough. Stir everything together with a wooden spoon or your hands until a sticky dough begins to form. Don't worry if it looks a bit rough at first. This is completely normal. Turn the dough out onto a lightly floured surface and knead it for about 8 minutes. Use the heels of your hands to push and fold the dough, working it until it becomes smooth, soft, and elastic. This step develops the gluten, which gives your crust that perfect chew. Once kneaded, place the dough in a lightly oiled bowl, turning it so it's coated on all sides. Cover the bowl with a damp cloth or plastic wrap and set it in a warm, draft-free spot. Let it rise for about an hour, or until it's doubled in size. This slow rise is what gives your dough its airy, light texture. While your dough is rising, it's the perfect time to prepare your chicken topping. Chop your cooked chicken breast into bite-sized pieces and season as you like, so it's ready to go when your dough is finished. Homemade dough is truly the secret to that perfect pizza bite. Crispy on the outside, soft and airy on the inside. Taking the time to make it from scratch makes all the difference. Now that your dough is rising and your toppings are prepped, let's move on to the chicken. Marinate chicken with ginger garlic paste, chili powder, cumin, turmeric, lemon juice, and salt. Cook in a hot pan with oil until golden and cooked through, about 5 to 7 minutes. Punch down your risen dough, knead briefly, and shape into a round base to fit your pan. Place the base in a cold, non-stick pan. Spread sauce, sprinkle mozzarella, add chicken, and top with onions and peppers. Rustic shapes are welcome. Perfection isn't required. Your pizza is ready for the stove. Let's cook. Start by placing your pan on the lowest heat possible. This gentle heat is key to ensuring your pizza cooks evenly without burning the base. Take a moment to let the pan warm up. Patience here pays off with a perfectly crisp crust later. Next, cover the pan with a lid. This simple step transforms your pan into a mini oven, trapping heat and moisture inside. The lid helps the cheese melt beautifully, and the toppings cook through, just like in a traditional oven. Let your pizza cook for 15 to 20 minutes. During this time, the base will become golden and crisp, while the cheese turns irresistibly bubbly. Keep an eye on it. Every stove is a little different, so adjust the time as needed for your perfect finish. For an extra crunch, remove the lid for the last few minutes of cooking. This allows any excess moisture to escape, giving you that classic crispy edge and a beautifully brown top. Once your pizza is cooked to perfection, carefully slide it onto a wooden board. Take a moment to admire your handiwork. The golden crust, the melted cheese, and the aroma filling your kitchen. Now comes the fun part: customizing your pizza. Add your favorite toppings, whether it's spicy pepperoni, smoky ham, or a handful of fresh basil. Don't be afraid to get creative and try new combinations. Experiment with colorful veggies, different cheeses, or even a drizzle of olive oil for extra flavor. Each pizza can be unique, tailored to your taste or whatever you have on hand. Homemade pizza is all about creativity and sharing. Gather your friends or family, and let everyone add their own toppings for a truly personalized meal. Take a bite and savor the flavors. You made this from scratch, and every bite is a reward for your effort. With a little creativity and care, pizza night at home just got a whole lot better. Enjoy every moment and every slice.